In this question, we have to find the area of triangle shown here. So this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle because it is given in the question that all the three sides are equal. The sides are not explicitly given to us, rather they are expressed in terms of two variables x and y. So this will be an equilateral triangle, and we know that area of any equilateral triangle is given by the formula root 3 divided by 4 times side squared. So side is not given to us, so for that we need to compute the value of x and y. So since all the sides are equal, we can write AB equal to AC. So from here we can substitute the value of AB as 2x plus y equal to AC as 2y minus x. Let us add x to both sides. So this x will get cancelled and we will have 3x plus y equals 2y. Let us subtract y from both sides. So this will be 3x equals y. So this is the first relation between x and y. Likewise, we can equate AC equals BC. AC is 2y minus x and BC is xy minus x. So from here we can add x to both sides. So this will get cancelled. So we will get 2y equals xy. Now we will shift xy to left hand side. So this will be 2y minus xy equals 0. We will take y common. So 2 minus x equals 0. Now in place of y we can substitute 3x from equation 1. So this will be 3x times 2 minus x equals 0. Now we have an equation in single variable x. So from here we will get either x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. So we will take this value and we will reject x equal to 0, because if x equal to 0 then y will also be 0 and this will be meaningless. So if we have found the value of x as 2, we can substitute it here. So 3 times 2 will be 6, which is equal to y. So now we have the value of x and y. So let us substitute it here. So this side will be 2 times x is 2 plus y is 6. So this will be 4 plus 6, that is 10. So each side will have a length of 10 units. Now let us substitute the value in our equation. So this is 10 squared, that is 100. So 100 root 3 upon 4 is 25 root 3 square units. So the area of this equilateral triangle will be 25 root 3 square units. If you like this video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel.